Hey everybody, John Stovall, MarineMax Lake Lanier. You join me today on a 2025 Sea Ray 230 SPX. This boat is massive for a 23-foot boat. There's storage everywhere. It really doesn't even feel like a 23-foot boat. It's massive. But starting in the bow, you've got bow cushions and finished upholstery all the way forward, speakers, anchor locker, cleats, grab handles, and in-floor storage. Coming through the walkthrough, you got a folding windshield with wind block-off door. Unique to the SPX series on the 230 only is the head, which has got the covers in it, which is pretty standard these days for most people. But moving to the dash, Simrad glass dash, all your switches, and this boat is optioned with digital throttle and shift, which is really nice. Bolster seat, twin co-captain's chair, subwoofer, in-floor storage again, massive locker, and seating everywhere, plus a big swim platform and sun pad. If you'd like more information about the Sea Ray 230 SPX, please visit us at www.marinemax.com.